Hello all, and welcome once again to Stat 300 Hybrid at American River College. It was my pleasure to meet you in person on Friday, and I would just want to introduce you a little further to our course and to the Canvas website, Wiley Plus and Statcrunch. In this course, we'll be using this book called Statistical Investigations by Tintle, Rossman, Chance, and others. The ISBN number for this course, for this book, is 978-111-949-1064, and I want you to double check the ISBN number because that's the one for our textbook and what will allow you access to Wiley Plus. If you are not able to access Wiley Plus, chances are you may have a different edition of the textbook. So just double check the ISBN number, please. Again, it's 978-111-949-1064. In this video, I want to show you a little more in detail how to access Wiley Plus and Statcrunch. On Friday, I went through it fairly quickly, so I want to make sure that I give you more of an overview on how to do it. So use a internet browser such as Google Chrome or Firefox. From the American River homepage, access Canvas to find our course. Once you are in Canvas, all your courses should be displayed here, and there's Hybrid Stat 300, the welcome message, and on the left hand menu, this is where lots of the bulk of the course will be happening. You'll have your announcements, e-textbook, modules, conference room for office hours, your grades, discussions that you'll be assigned, Google Drive for when you are working on group projects. You can store them in Google Drive and everyone can access them. Wiley Plus support, tutoring, and so on. I'm going to change it to student view just so that you see what you'll be seeing, not what I see. And let's go to modules. In here, you'll be able to see Statcrunch, applets that we'll be using throughout the semester, and some textbook data files that we'll be using as well, and Wiley Plus. So if you go to access the book, you go to what's inside. This will explain to you a little bit of what the book is about and how to access it. Mainly, you'll have to go to eTextbook and set up an account through there. So in number 1 here, first access the eText through the link on the left navigation pane to establish your access for the whole course. So if you go back to the left menu, below home is the eTextbook. For me, it already populates it because I already have access, but for you, it will say register or enter access code. And so you'll go through that to register, and once you have the access code, you will be able to have access to the book. If it's not letting you access, double check the ISBN number that I gave you at the beginning to see that it's the same one. And you can go to the chapters right away. Last time we did section P1, section P2 you'll do on your own this week, and on Friday we'll work on section P3, probability. And for Statcrunch, go back to modules. If you click on the Statcrunch link, it will open in a brand new window, and I was signed in. So here you will go to subscribe, get access, and notice that it tells you purchase a 6-month of access for $13 or 12-month access for $23. I don't believe you need the 12 months, so you can just do the 6 months of access for $13. And once you have access to it, you'll be able to access Statcrunch. And let me log in. So some of you paid for it in class, or we're trying to figure out how to get it. Once you are on Statcrunch, all your information will be here. What I'm going to want you to do is to go to My Groups and find a group. I want you to join the ARC Stat 300 R. Owens group. And once you have joined the group, you'll be able to access all of our data. And I will walk you through on another video how to do that, how to join a group and how to access some of the data that we will be working with. I am looking forward to working with you this semester. Email me if you have any questions, and I will post another video to finish up our section P1 handout, and I will post a reading guide for section P2. So let me go to modules really quickly to show you so far what you have. So P1, these are your learning objectives, your task list. Before class, well, last Friday was the first day of class, we cover section handout P1 in class. After class, read the course syllabus, register for Wiley Plus, and we have your first homework. I put the due date as February 1st so that in class you may ask me any questions. StatCrunch link, and then read P1 and P2 in your textbook. Link to the optional Chapter P reading guide. And from here, I just want to show you again in P1, when you click on this link, the one with this is P1 Introduction to the 6-Step Method, you will have access to the textbook, which has the Learning Hub. It has 5 videos here that you can watch for explanations and detailed explanations on the different topics, the practice problems. In this case, you have 5 practice problems. So after you've watched the videos and done the reading guide, read the chapter, you may work on these and you'll submit them. And then you can explore some more if you like, or you can go directly to the homework. So going back to our module, you will see that the homework is at the bottom. So chapter P1 has been assigned, and also chapter P2. So the way the homework looks, if you click on homework assignment, it will open in a new window. And this is your homework. So in this one, there are 21 problems. Most of them are multiple choice, and you will click on, let me click on random one, 5. Notice that it gives you a scenario, and the observational units in this scenario are the students, true or false. So on Friday, we talked about what are observational units, what are variables, and classifying variables as categorical or quantitative. And for categorical, are they binary or not? So in this case, you would go through and answer some of these questions. And so that is your homework, and you can navigate by going to the top, the next question, or the previous question. If something is not making sense, you can take screenshots and email them to me. And to close out, just exit out of that, go back to home. And I hope that helps guide you through how to access Wiley Plus and StatCrunch, and how to access mainly your homework so you can start working on that. And I look forward to seeing you on Friday.